Welcome to our channel. This video will show you how to use Kigo Hulu Video Downloader to download Hulu videos. Before, select the website you want to download from. Click to set the output format, video quality and so on. Find the video you want to download. Click to open the detail page. When the download button changes from gray to blue, click it. In the newly opened window, you can make more detailed settings and more. Click Download button to start. Click Library to find all the downloaded video.